Today, we'll discuss how your debt to income ratio can affect how you can afford your home purchase. For most people, their home is their largest financial asset and their largest financial investment. So if you don't have the money to pay cash for a home, you may need to get a mortgage. Let's get to it. The first step in using credit wisely is figuring out how much credit you can afford to take on. It's important to take a long, hard look at your current financial situation when you're deciding to take on new debt. As part of this analysis, you should look at your debt to income ratio and set a realistic budget for your future. So let's talk about debt to income ratio and how much debt is too much debt. What does debt ratio take a look at? Debt ratio looks at how much you owe compared to how much you earn. And typically it gives a clear picture on your financial well-being. The lower your debt ratio, the more you have to spend on other things. Your debt ratio is a percentage of your monthly take-home pay that goes towards paying your debts and other monthly obligations. You calculate it like this. Take the amount needed to repay debts each month, including your rent and mortgage, and divide it by your take-home pay. That's your after-tax pay. So, for example, if your monthly debt payments are $900 and your monthly take-home pay is $2,700, your debt ratio will be 33.33%. Now, I will say that many experts recommend that about 15 to 20% of your income should be used to pay debts. This excludes your rent or mortgage. Now, to add to this, they recommend that you don't have more than 40% of your income going towards debts, and this includes your mortgage. Whatever your debt to income ratio is will affect your loan payments. Your debt to income ratio will affect how much the lender will loan you, what your interest payments will be, and how much debt you feel comfortable with. So that's how you calculate your debt to income ratio and how you can figure out how much debt is too much. For more information on valuable financial topics, like, subscribe, share this video. My links are below if you want additional financial assistance, and you can reach out to me on any social media platforms. Until next time, thank you for joining me.